Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here in the kitchen again, and today we're going to be making a really tasty treat. Well, it's a side dish or you can have it as a snack. It's a tomato bruschetta. Really easy to make and lovely to eat. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. I've got hundreds of recipes out there. I'm sure some of them you would love to be making yourself. Please stay tuned and I'll show you how I make it. These are the ingredients that we're going to need. Dead easy to get hold of. Any store will have them. We're going to have some tomatoes. I've chosen these little cherry tomatoes. They're sweet and tasty. About 3 cloves of garlic. We need half of this red onion that's been chopped up. Some balsamic vinegar. Some extra virgin olive oil. And of course some tasty basil. This I've grown myself on a windowsill. We'll start by cutting these tomatoes in half. Of course you can use full size tomatoes if you want, you just cut them a little bit smaller really. Then we're going to cut our onion into tiny little pieces. I like to cut mine down this way first, leaving the stalk on to hold it together. Turn it around and then cut it this way, and that way you get it into really small little pieces, just right for this dish. Some basil leaves, we need that. I'm going to use about 8 large leaves and snip them up quite small, but the easiest way I think is to use a pair of kitchen scissors. Take a bowl, in there we can go with our tomatoes. We're going to put a little bit of salt over the top, just a light sprinkling. It helps to, what they say, massacre the tomatoes, make them nice and juicy. In we go with our chopped up red onion, well half an onion really, and of course our basil leaves. Followed by our garlic cloves. I put 3 in here, they're quite small. Crush them up, nice and juicy, and in they go. Then we go in with our balsamic vinegar, that's quite powerful stuff. And of course our extra virgin olive oil, probably about 2 tablespoonfuls. Give this a good mix together. Now we want to get all these flavours all incorporated, but don't over crush the tomatoes. Just give them a little bit of a squish. And we're going to cover this over with some cling film. If your fridge is big enough for this size of bowl, put it in the fridge for about an hour or 2 and you'll find that the flavours really join together and get so tasty. If not, just leave it out on the side. Then we take some really nice crusty bread, cut that into slices, toast it in your toaster or under the grill, and get a brush and some extra virgin olive oil and just give a light coating all the way over the surface. Now by this time your tomato mixture has really taken on a new depth of flavour, so we're going to put that over our slice of toast. It tends to fight back a bit I think guys, really, but you know, persevere, get it on there, I know you can do it. Then I'm going to cut this into a triangle or triangles. I'm going to do this with the rest of our slices of bread. I've done about 3 slices. That's enough for us, but obviously you can do more if you want. And it turns out just like this. Looks great, doesn't it? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look at some of the hundreds of recipes that I've got. Ring that bell and I'll see you all again next time. Thanks so much for watching and bye for now.